Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be showing you how to trim a cordless cellular shade for this window. If you have it made custom, it's going to cost you. So in my case, as you can see, it's about 1 inch long. So we're going to trim it and then install it. In this case, the shade is going to go inside the window opening. So first thing we're going to do is measure the opening, leaving about 1/4 inch on each side space so the shade doesn't brush against the walls. Let's get started. In this case, we're only taking off about 1 inch, so I'm just going to take it off from one side. If you have a case where you're taking more than 1 inch, it's best to take a little bit from each side. Going to be using blue tape to wrap the shade nice and tight, and that's going to help when we take it to the miter saw. It's going to give you a nice clean cut. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the other side as well. This is just to make sure that nothing moves when I'm making the cut. If you're going to do this, please inspect your shade. Make sure there's no metal parts or any loose parts within the shade structure, especially where you're going to make the cut. In my case, everything's plastic, so we're good to go. All I'm doing here is using blue tape as zero clearance, and that's to avoid tear out when I make the cut. It may not help, but every little helps, so especially for this shade where the middle section is made out of cloth-like plasticky material. The trick here is to go really slow and not to rush it, because if you rush it, you may fracture the plastic, and that's not a good thing. So go slow, take your time, and it's going to give you a nice clean cut. As you can see, that was a nice clean cut. There was no shredding of the paper type material in the middle section, and quite happy with that. Put the end caps back on and we're ready to install. The shade will be installed with 2 mounting brackets, and they'll be installed on top of the window opening using 2 screws for each bracket. you'll have to look at your shade, but on my shade there is a little hook on one side, a curve, and then an L shape on the other side. The hook shape side goes on the outside of the brackets. You basically hook it in and then snap it into position, and it's as simple as that. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe, like, comment and share, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.